Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Chrome homepage. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is your menu icon, so go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options available. From this drop-down menu, look for and click on Settings. This will take you into Chrome's main settings panel where you can customize various aspects of your browser. The settings page gives you full control over how Chrome looks and behaves, including the ability to set a custom homepage that appears whenever you click the home button. Now on the left side of the settings page, you'll notice a vertical menu with different categories. Look for and click on Appearance. This section specifically handles the visual elements of your browser, including themes, font sizes, and importantly for us, the home button and homepage settings. Within the Appearance section, scroll down until you find an option labeled Show Home Button. This feature allows you to display a dedicated home icon in your browser's toolbar, making it easy to return to your chosen homepage with just one click. It's turned off by default in Chrome, so many users don't even know it exists. Right beside the Show Home Button label, you'll see a toggle switch. Click on this toggle to turn it on. Once activated, you'll notice additional options appear below it. This is where you can specify exactly which page you want to use as your homepage. You'll now see a field where you can enter a web address. Click on this field and type in the URL of the website you want to set as your homepage. For example, you might enter google.com, youtube.com, or any other site you visit frequently. This ensures that whenever you click the home button, you'll be taken directly to that page. Now to see your new homepage in action, look at the upper left corner of your Chrome window. You should now see a small home icon that wasn't there before. Click on this home icon and Chrome will immediately direct you to the home page you just specified. This makes navigating back to your favorite starting page incredibly quick and convenient. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google Chrome homepage and enabled the home button. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.